Today we're reviewing DJI Mini 4 Pro drone, a wonderful gift idea for the season. Quiz time. What is the best-selling Christmas song of all time? Choices: A. Silent Night. B. Jingle Bells. C. White Christmas. D. All I Want for Christmas is You. Feeling merry and confident? Drop your answer in the comments and stay till the end to find out if you're right. Hey there, my festive friends. With the air filled with holiday cheer, I've got a gift idea that's sure to lift spirits higher than Santa's sleigh. The DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo. You know what they say, the best things come in small packages, and this little wonder is no exception. So picture this. You'll be soaring through the winter sky with the DJI Mini 4 Pro with RC2, capturing every snowy landscape in stunning 4K resolution. And here's the thing, weighing in at under 249 G, this DJI Mini drone is as light as a snowflake, but packs a powerful punch when it comes to performance. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just dipping your toes into the world of drones, this DJI beginner drone with a camera has everything you need to take your aerial photography to new heights. So before we dive back in, I want to share something that could really help you out. Have you ever dreamed of starting your own online business? Well, now's the perfect time. Shopify makes it incredibly easy to turn that dream into reality. Millions of entrepreneurs around the world trust Shopify to power their online stores. You can create a beautiful, professional-looking store without any coding skills. Manage your products, track your inventory, and reach customers everywhere with their powerful marketing tools. Plus, they handle all the complicated stuff like payments and shipping, so you can focus on what you love. And with their 24/7 support team, help is always just a click away. So if you've been thinking about starting your own business, check out the link in the description below to start your free Shopify trial today. Okay, with that little detour done, let's jump back into the review. The Fly More combo includes extra batteries, propellers, and a handy carrying case, so you can spend less time charging and more time flying high above the treetops. Who would love to unwrap this gem on Christmas morning? Well, anyone with a passion for photography, outdoor adventures, or just a love for exploring the world from a new perspective. Trust me, your favorite adrenaline junkie or photography enthusiast will be over the moon when they unbox this sleek, high-flying gadget. So, my merry mates, if you're on the hunt for a holiday gift that's guaranteed to spark joy and wonder, look no further than the DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. It's the perfect present for those who dream of spreading their wings and capturing breathtaking moments from a whole new angle. 'Tis the season to give the gift of limitless possibilities with the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More combo. Happy flying! And may your holidays be merry and bright. I asked the DJI Mini 4 Pro drone to help trim the tree. It didn't move, but it's still trimming the holiday shopping list nicely. And the answer is C. White Christmas. C. White Christmas is the correct answer because it is recognized as the best-selling Christmas song of all time, with Bing Crosby's version alone selling over 50 million copies worldwide since its release in 1942. We hope this holiday review of DJI Mini 4 Pro drone helped with your Christmas shopping. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and click the link below for more festive details.